Do you want to travel abroad someday? Then you need these phrases right now.
Welcome to Leo and Anna English. Today, we're at the airport in English.
And Leo, I have a confession. The first time I flew alone, I was so lost.
Really? What happened?
I didn't know where to go first. I just stood there with my bag.
Oh no! What did you do?
I followed a random person, hoping they knew.
Anna, that's not a plan.
I know, but it worked.
Okay, so let's help our listeners. First step at the airport, check in.
Right. This is where you get your boarding pass.
And you might need to check a bag, too.
At the check-in counter, you say, "I'd like to check in for my flight."
Simple. Clear. The staff will understand.
Or if you're using a machine, it asks, "Please scan your passport or booking number."
A booking number. Some people call it a confirmation number. It's the code in your email after you buy the ticket.
Right. Keep that email on your phone. It saves you a lot of stress.
And what about bags, Anna? Sometimes people have too much luggage.
Oh, yes, that happens to me every time. If your bag is too heavy, they say, "Your bag is over the weight limit."
And you need to know how to respond.
You can say, "How much is the extra fee?" Or, "Can I move things to my carry-on bag?"
Carry-on. That's the small bag you bring on the plane.
Yes, it goes in the overhead bin above your seat.
Overhead bin. Good phrase.
Not under the seat in front of you, above.
Okay, so you have your boarding pass now. What's next?
Security check. This part makes me nervous.
Why? It's not so bad.
Leo, I once forgot water in my bag. They had to check everything again.
Oh, the classic mistake.
The officer said, "Please remove your laptop and liquids."
Liquids. That's an important word at the airport. It means water, juice, shampoo, anything wet.
You can only bring liquids in small bottles, 100 milliliters or less, in a clear plastic bag.
If you forget, they take it away.
Yep, my water bottle, gone.
Hey, take it away. Let's highlight that phrase.
Oh, good one. Take it away means to remove something.
Like, the officer took away my water.
Or, they took away my extra bag.
You can use take away in many situations.
Not just at the airport.
Right. Okay, one more thing about check-in.
What's that?
Online check-in. You can do it the day before.
Oh, yes. I always do that now.
You go to the airline's website or app, you check in and download your boarding pass.
Then you don't need to wait in a long line.
Just drop your bag and go to security.
It saves so much time.
I learned this the hard way.
What do you mean?
I arrived at the airport 2 hours early, but the line was very, very long.
Oh no, did you make your flight?
Just barely. My legs were shaking.
So yes, online check-in. Do it.
Do it the night before, not the morning of.
Okay, so after check-in and security,
You find your gate.
this is where people get confused.
Yeah, airports are big. Gates are everywhere.
Look at your boarding pass, find the gate number. It says something like Gate B12 or Gate 23A.
And look at the screens, too. They show the gate.
But sometimes gates change.
Oh yes, very common.
So always check the screen. Don't just walk to your gate and sit.
The screen might say, gate changed to C5.
And you need to walk fast.
Anna, has your gate ever changed?
Twice, and once I almost didn't make it.
What did you do?
I asked a staff member, "Excuse me, where is gate C5?
Perfect sentence. Very useful.
They pointed me in the right direction and I ran.
Make it. That's another great phrase. I almost didn't make it means you almost missed something.
Like, I almost didn't make it to the gate.
Or, we made it. The plane is still here.
Make it easy to remember. Very useful at airports.
Okay, one more thing before boarding. Delays.
Delays.
It happens. Sometimes your flight is late.
The screen shows delayed next to your flight.
Or you hear an announcement. Flight 305 to London is delayed by 1 hour.
And you think, great, now what?
You wait, or you get a coffee.
Yep, but the key phrase is, how long is the delay?
You ask the staff at the gate.
They'll say something like, the new departure time is 4 p.m.
Departure means when the plane leaves.
And arrival is when it gets there.
Departure and arrival, two key airport words.
Write those down, everyone.
Okay, if Leo and Anna English is helping you travel better, drop a like. It really helps us keep going.
And subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. So Leo, let's talk about what happens at the gate.
Right, you wait there until boarding starts.
And they call it by group or zone.
The announcement might say, "We are now boarding Group 1.
Or, all passengers, please proceed to gate B12.
Proceed, that just means go.
Yeah, it's a formal word, but very common at airports.
You hear it on announcements all the time.
Please proceed to your gate. Please proceed to customs.
Just think of proceed as a polite way to say go.
And when you board the plane, show your boarding pass.
The staff scans it and says, "Enjoy your flight."
I always feel excited at that moment.
Me too. Okay, what about when you land?
This part is important. After the plane lands, you go to passport control.
Sometimes called immigration. Same place.
The officer looks at your passport and asks questions.
Simple questions, but if you're nervous, you might forget.
So let's practice. Leo, you be the officer.
Okay. What is the purpose of your visit?
That means, why are you here? You say, I'm here for tourism, or I'm here on holiday.
Tourism and holiday both work fine.
If you're visiting family, I'm visiting my family.
Good. Next question, how long will you stay?
You say, I'll stay for 1 week, or 10 days.
Keep it simple, short and clear.
The officer doesn't need your life story.
Exactly. And one more common question. Do you have anything to declare?
This one confuses people.
Declare means to officially report something, like expensive items or large amounts of money.
If you have nothing special, just say, no, I have nothing to declare.
After that, you might go through customs.
Customs is different from passport control. Passport control checks who you are.
Customs checks what you're bringing into the country.
Most airports have 2 lanes at customs.
The green lane says nothing to declare,
The red lane is for things you need to report.
like expensive items or large amounts of money.
If you're a tourist with normal luggage, you almost always use the green lane.
Just walk through, it's fine.
And if you're not sure, ask a staff member. Excuse me, which lane should I use?
They'll help you, that's their job. Okay, and after customs, baggage claim.
That's where the bags come out.
There's a big machine, a conveyor belt. Your bag goes round and round on it.
Look for your flight number on the screen. It tells you which belt has your bags.
And wait patiently. Sometimes it takes a while.
Leo, did you ever lose a bag?
Once, it went to the wrong city.
No. What did you do?
I went to the lost baggage desk. I said, "My bag didn't arrive. Can you help me?"
Lost baggage desk. Every big airport has one.
They asked for my name and booking number, and they found my bag 2 days later.
2 days? What did you do without it?
I bought one change of clothes. You learn, always put one outfit in your carry-on.
Oh, that is such good advice. One outfit, phone charger, and your medicine.
Never put medicine in your checked bag. Never.
Because if the bag is late, you need that medicine.
Exactly. Learn from my mistake.
So today we covered a lot of airport phrases.
Check-in, security, gates, boarding, passport control, baggage claim.
Real situations, real English.
You don't need perfect English at the airport. You just need the right phrases.
And confidence. Even a little bit helps.
That's true. A little confidence goes a long way.
I like that.
If you feel nervous at the airport, remember that the staff is there to help you.
Just ask. They hear many accents every day. They will understand you.
And if you didn't catch something, it's okay to say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?"
Or, could you speak more slowly, please?
Simple, polite. It always works.
And one last tip, download the airline's app.
The app shows your gate, your boarding pass, everything.
If the gate changes, you get a notification.
No need to keep staring at the big screens.
I wish I knew that years ago.
Same. Okay, let's wrap up.
All right. If this episode helped you feel ready to fly, give it a like and share with a friend who loves to travel.
And follow Leo and Anna English for more real-life English.
We'll see you in the next one. Safe travels, everyone.
Bye for now.